Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about interference check and Revit. How we can cross check that in our model services are clashing or not. So let's start. For interference check, I'll go in Configure tab right there, and we can see interference check option is right there. So I'll click on that one, click on Run Interference Check. So this kind of dialog box will be opened, and there are all the categories those are available in this Revit project. Okay, so first of all, I wanted to run interference check in between ducts versus pipe. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll select duct right there and pipes right there. This is why I'm selecting this one, because you right now you can see categories from current project means the same model in which I'm working right now. These categories are not related to the Revit links. If I want to select the Revit link part, then what I'll do, I'll go right there, I'll drop it down, and there will be one more option if there is any link in the in your Revit project. Right now I do not have any Revit link in this one, so that is why it is not showing in that one. But if you are having any Revit links, then it will show those kind of Revit links names right there. So you can select that one, and the same dialog box will be opened. Then you can select any of the category of the links. Okay, so right now what I'm doing, I wanted to check the clashes in between ducts and pipes which are visible in this Revit model. Okay, and I'll click on OK. As of now, let's cross check. Yeah, so there are a number of clashes are right there, as you can see. Now why it is showing all the pipes? Because at the title you can see ducts. At the left hand side we have selected the ducts, so it is taking ducts on priority, and with boom it's clashing with the pipes. Why? Because we know that we have just run the clashes in between ducts versus pipes. So it is showing that ducts are clashing with the pipes. If I click on this plus icon, it means this is the first clash in which this duct is clashing with this pipe, and the element ID is given for both duct and pipe. So if you want to search with the element ID, you can search with it, or what I can suggest you, open a proper view of your whole project, select the duct, and right now you can see there is the duct is highlighted. If I select the pipe one, the pipe will also be selected. For example, you are not finding the particular duct or pipe and highlighted in your layout, and in that scenario what you can do, you can click on show. It will create a proper 3D view of that one, and it will show you in proper 3D view that where is the clash. Okay, so that kind of option also you are having in Revit. For example, I'll close this one as of now, and I'll resolve this clash. As of now, I'll just delete this pipe so that there will not be any clash. And in that scenario, how you can cross check that it is updated in interference check or not, I'll go in interference check again, and I'll click on show last report. Okay, and this is my last report, and if I'll select this duct, okay, actually maybe it has gone, but if I'll refresh it, the clash that was previously was right there, it will be gone from the interference check report as well. So that is how we can find out all the clashes, and we can resolve all the clashes from Revit itself. So that's all guys for this video. Let's meet in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching this one.